Welcome to this step-by-step guide on renaming your Amazon list quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through Amazon's interface and update the name of one of your lists without any hassle. We will start by directing you to Amazon's website so you can get ready to make the necessary changes. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in the address for Amazon, which is simply amazon.com. Once you arrive at Amazon's homepage, you should see a clean layout featuring various sections for shopping, recommendations, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site before moving on to the next step. After you have landed on the Amazon homepage, look towards the top of the screen where you will find a menu option labeled Account and Lists. This is your gateway to managing everything related to your account, including your shopping lists. Click on Account and Lists and wait as the website processes your selection. This action will present you with a drop-down menu that gives access to different account features. Once the drop-down menu appears, your next move is to click on the option that says Your Lists. This area allows you to view all of the lists you have created under your account. Whether you have a list for items you wish to purchase later, or one for items that you are keeping an eye on, they will all be displayed here for you to manage. Select the Lists option and proceed to view your personal lists. Now that you have accessed your lists, take your time to choose the specific list that you wish to rename. Carefully scan through the available lists and click on the one that requires a name update. This will open the details of your chosen list, displaying items you may have added along with further management options. With the list open, look for the menu that is often represented by 3 vertical dots. This 3-dot icon is a common symbol in many user interfaces, indicating that additional options and settings can be accessed. Once you locate this icon, click on it to reveal the extended options for list management. After clicking on the 3-dot icon, you will need to find the option labeled Manage List. When you select Manage List, you are taken into the settings area where all modifications to your list can be made. In this section, you will have the ability to adjust the list properties, including its name. Inside Manage List, focus your attention on the area that displays the current list name. It is usually presented in a prominent position so that you can easily identify which list you are working on. Click on the list name itself to initiate the editing process. At this point, the current name will become editable, allowing you to type in a new and personalized name for your list. Once you have entered the new name of your choice, look for the option to finalize the change. This is typically indicated by a button labeled Save Changes. Click on Save Changes to commit your edit and update the list name permanently. The interface will then process your input and confirm that the new name has been applied to the list. Following these steps will allow you to seamlessly update the name of your Amazon list in just a few minutes. By carefully navigating through your account, selecting the appropriate list and confirming your changes, you ensure that your shopping lists are maintained in a personalized and organized manner. Enjoy managing your lists with your newly tailored names.